Hi again, and welcome back to another quick AI tutorial where I show you some neat things you can do with AI. But beyond it being neat and cool, these are really designed to help you be more efficient in your job, freeing up some time to either spend time with family, friends, spend time doing things you love, or go out and get more business. Entirely up to you how you use that free time. One of the things I like to do is I like to create a true tone for myself. This it means that it is my natural voice. It is the way that I speak, that I communicate with clients, I communicate with people on the web. So I've got a prompt here. It is in the basic AI prompt writing cheat sheet that everybody should have access to right through Google Sheets. It is available to every one of our agents. So it is on the first page, the first prompt. All right, so I'm going to show you what I do. I open up Gemini and I paste everything into Gemini because I've got this already set up here. You can just copy and paste. This is really basic for you. It's meant to be basic and easy. Um, and what it's basically saying is that Gemini is a communication analyst. I wanted to create from some samples I'm going to give it a list of a prompt which will be used as my true tone so that going forward, AI doesn't sound like AI, it sounds more like me. Now, you can see I've already created that. The next thing I want to do is I want to paste in some emails or communication. So in this case, I've already got some samples. And you can see the first sample I have here is a memorandum. Okay. Um, and I just want to go through and make sure that I've got multiple types of communication. So this is a text message to a colleague, quick and casual. This is a client communication via email. A project update to internal team. It just gives a better, broader view of how you speak to your clients, your customers, in this case, buyers and sellers, or how you communicate with other agents, or how you communicate with your leadership team. Do you speak the same way to your manager that you do to somebody at the higher level leadership? If you ever need to interact with us, whether it's myself as CTO or Lindsay as CFO, or any of the other people you may need to interact with on a limited basis. So basically, what it does is it creates a full tone for you. Now, it tells you what the tone is. Gives you a summary, tells you what your tone is, gives you sentence structures, and then it says, "How would you like me to rewrite a draft email for you?" Or any number of other things. So what I want you to do is I want you to copy this, and I want you to then just open up a Google Doc, just a blank Google Doc. You're going to name it My True Tone, and you're going to paste it in, everything in here, okay? So it's got all the information in here that you need. You can close that. You can save it, with Docs, you can, move it wherever you want. So you can place all of your documents in a folder structure like you're used to, so they're easy to find. And anytime that you use AI, anytime you use Gemini now, instead of saying my tone is or I am acting like, what you can do is you can say, I have a question for you, or whatever your question is. This is just generic. And then you are going to add your true tone. Okay. And you're going to say, when answering this question, please use my true tone, which is attached. Very easy, very basic, very simple. It stops you from having to write who you are every single time, how you interact. And you're going to then take this and make personas with this, which you can save as gems again to make this very easy. That's another video I did about creating a marketing persona. you can create multiple personas. So I hope this was helpful. I hope this gives you some of your time back, which is very valuable to all of us. And I hope this makes you more productive.